Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and this too is a question from the SAT practice test. I think it's from number 4, and of course non-calculator section as well. So let's see what the question asks us. So it says the functions f and g are defined by f of x is equal to 8x square minus 2 and g of x is equal to minus 8x square plus 2, are graphed in the xy plane above. The graphs of f and g intersect at the points. So these two are the points. Let's change the color. What is the value of k? So one of the things that you probably have encountered while preparing for the SAT, and also probably in your classes, is that if the coefficient of x is positive, then the curve is upward. So since it is a positive number, the curve should be upward, the parabola. And since here it is negative, it should be downward. Let's see if that's true. So f of x should be upward. This is f of x. It definitely is upward, so that checks out. And then g of x, this one, is downwards. So obviously that too checks out for us. So that's just additional information if you didn't know. So now let's get back to the real question. So it says intersect at 2 points, this and this. Find the value of k. So this question is basically asking us to find the solution of these two parabolas. So what we have to do if we want to find the intersection or solve two graphs is step 1, equate two functions. And by that, what I mean is that is 8x square minus 2 is equal to minus 8x square plus 2. So some people might be having question like, why do we equate it? Does it mean that they always are equal, or what is it? So I'll just give you an example with an equation of x degree 1 that we are very used to solving. So let's say there are two equations, 3x minus y is equal to 5 and 4x plus y is equal to 9. If you have to find the intersection, mm, between these two, then what we usually do is just add them up. These two cancel out. 7 plus 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 5 plus 9 is 14. So this means x is 2, and y would be 6x. Y would be 1, isn't it? Yeah, y would be 1. So this is one way to do it. But if you don't want to do this way, then what you can do is this. You can just equate. First of all, put y as positive and in the next side. So this would be changed. The first one would be changed as this, and the second one would be changed as minus 4x plus 9 is equal to y, isn't it? Yes. And if you equate them, 3x minus y uh, is equal to minus 4x plus 9. This way you can find the value of x. It would be 7x is equal to 14, and answer is 2 again. So by solving it in first degree of x and y, this is, I think it got a bit clearer to you. So we can equate them and find the value of x. It's the same thing. So we can do the same thing with degree 2 as well, degree 2 polynomial. So yes, let's go back, and since we only need to find the value of x, the k is the x coordinate, as you can see here and here. So let's do that. Let's equate both of them. I hope you learned why we're equating them. So once we equate them, what we will get is 8x square minus 2 is equal to minus 8x square plus 2. And since minus k comma 0 and k comma 0 are the points of intersection, they will fall into the equation of the parabola. So uh, what we can do is, let's erase this, not necessary. And since k is the x coordinate, it'll get replaced in the x side. So yeah, uh, yep, and yeah, 8k square plus 8k square is equal to 4, you know. And then 16k square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now just solve the equation. 4k minus 2, 4k plus 2. I hope you understood what I did here. I changed this, say 16. Let me just help you. 4k whole square minus 2 square, this is in the form of a square minus b square, and this is the formula, the expanded formula, a plus b, a minus b. So let's just erase this. So therefore k is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. That's what you get from solving the equation. So let's go to this side. We got k as plus minus 1 over 2, but since k is in the positive side, k has to be a positive number. So for the question, to satisfy the question, the correct answer is plus 1 over 2. So if you look at it, not 1 over 4, not 1, not 2, so B is the correct answer. So yeah, this is the correct answer. So over here we learned how to solve two graphs. The simple thing is to equate them, and how can you solve by equating them. The 2 was answered in this video. I took equations of 1 degree and showed the traditional way that we solve, and then by equating them, how we can find the x coordinate. And then okay, this is not what I meant. And then yeah, we just proceeded with the question and we found out the answer. And yeah, I hope you learned how to do this, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.